said, "Mom, look, I don't have stringy hair anymore. It's all thick, Ma." My son was 22 when all of this first started, and when his hair started falling out, and he was away from me, 2 hours away from me. So I called PAI Medical Virginia, and that's where it all started. That was the answer to my prayers. I think after that consultation, my son and I probably didn't even have one question. She covered every bit of it. Because of PAI Medical Virginia, my son can now take his hand, he just did this the other day, and run it through his hair. And he said, "Mom, look, I don't have stringy hair anymore. It's all thick, Ma." If you're a mother and you see your child suffering with losing hair, whether it's your daughter or your son, please believe me when I tell you, you can help them. You can do it. All you gotta do is call PAI Medical Virginia, because you're putting your son and or your daughter in the best of hands. Help them grow their hair back. Together, you both can do it.